Hi, this is Grant from Grant Palm Photography, bringing you some more tips and tricks about photographing at Burning Man and particularly fire performers. And this time I want to talk about structure fires. A lot of structures burn during Burning Man. There are individual art pieces, there's also the man, there's also the temple. Each of these will burn differently, and it's very difficult to know exactly what it's going to look like from the get-go. But where I start, I tend to start at my fire breathing settings or around there. So around about an 800th of a second, f5.6, ISO 400, might go up, might go down, depending upon when in the burn it is. This image was ISO 2000, f5.6, 1/1000th of a second, because I wanted to get nice crunchy detail in the fire. There's also another image of temple burn, which I'll put up here. 1/640th of a second, f5.6 again. I don't tend to change f-stops terribly much. And 1000 ISO. Again, very, very similar. There were different stages of the burn. The temple image was full burn and it was a whole big piece of art. The man was a smaller burn that year. So play it by ear, As I said, I don't worry terribly much about f-stop. The man, as you can see, is fairly two-dimensional. There's not a lot of depth to that image. I'm not trying to capture the majestic hills in the background. Same with the temple. The temple is essentially a side because you can't see past the initial piece of flames. So start with fire breather kind of settings. Fast to get nice crunchy detail in the flames, and just keep at it. But also put your camera down sometimes and just enjoy it. Anyway, if this has been helpful to you, drop me a comment, drop me questions either here on Instagram, Grant Palm Photography, and I will see you all in the next one. Cheers.